Looking for a way to add style and safety to your porch, deck, or patio? Freedom's Prescot is code compliant, tested to international building code requirements, and features Performax technology, which outperforms other composite and PVC products with superior resistance to moisture, mold, mildew, warping, and staining. Choose from two baluster styles, white square or black round aluminum. The square baluster option is available in 36 and 42-inch heights, and the round aluminum baluster is available in 36-inch height only. Both options are available in 6, 8, and 10-foot widths. Prescot's innovative brackets and routed rails make it simple to install. First, pre-drill the holes for the top and bottom bracket dovetail. Then, attach the top and bottom bracket dovetails with screws. Next, cut the rails to length by placing bottom rail across posts, marking 1/2 inch from the end of each post and cutting. Once bottom rail is cut top rail to the same length. After that, install support brace to the center of the bottom rail. Next, you'll assemble the railing section by snapping balusters into routed holes. Once complete, repeat the process with the top rail. Then, slide brackets onto ends of top and bottom rails. Next, hang assembled rail section onto bracket dovetails. Then install 4 screws through the bottom and top rail brackets into the handrail. Finally, attach the rail support brace to the deck surface using support foot screw and snap the cover into place. Repeat the process with each railing section to complete your install. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, you can trust that your railing project will remain strong, secure, and attractive for years to come. Start building your ideal outdoor space with Prescot Vinyl Rail from Freedom Outdoor Living. Available exclusively at Lowe's.